Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you let's claim the UCL road to the final player in FC Mobile 2024. So as you guys can see here, I've already on the final stage of the UCL road. So in this final stage, follow the key matches in the UCL knockout stages. If conditions are met in real-life matches, the player will receive a live OVR boost. So here, you get only one free UCL Challenger token. So you can only choose once. You have only one chance to choose between these two players. So if you choose Füllkrug, you'll get and he wins, you'll get the live OVR boost condition. You'll get +1 OVR when scoring 2 goals or more or keeping a clean sheet during the regular time. But if you choose Mendy, you'll get +1 OVR when scoring 2 goals or more or keeping a clean sheet during the regular time. So choose wisely who's your champion. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks button. Enjoy the game.